Today we are going to be putting together our Pinwheel Geese block. And this block is made up of 4 different sets of flying geese. So it's a real simple block to get put together. Each flying geese set has 3 geese in it, and how you do it is you're just going to take your background squares, you're going to put them on top of your rectangles, and you're going to stitch, I like to tell you, just 1 thread on the other side of the background fabric or the drawn line. So you're going to be right next to that drawn line towards the top. So now that you've gotten all of those drawn, you can see I've drawn them and I've stitched them. The next thing you're going to do is cut away the excess. Once you've cut away the excess, you're going to press all of those seams open. So here I am cutting it away. So there goes my excess. I'll do that on all 12 of these pieces, and then I'm just going to repeat the other step. All right, here are my pieces all sewn. My geese are sewn. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sew all 3 of them together to make my 4 blocks that need to be sewn together to make my completed block. So I'll be right back. So here are my blocks with the additional piece added on to make them square. I sewed those together, and the next thing we're going to do is treat this just like a 4 patch. And here are my completed blocks. I really like the pinwheel in the very center of this block and how it shows up. Part of me wish I had done the blue or the darker color in the center, but I'm happy with it the way it is. And so there is our last block for this month all completed. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you again the first Thursday of next month with our next 3 blocks.